Danik, what are you doing?
I want to surprise Mom. Max, would you mind helping me with the mashed potatoes for dinner?
Sure, I'd love to.
Potatoes.
Let's wash them and peel them. Do you want to boil them or put them in the microwave?
Microwave.
Let's boil them. That way they'll be softer and easier to mash.
Good idea. While they're boiling, can you get some butter and milk from the refrigerator?
Milk. Butter. Refrigerator.
Sure. How much butter and milk do we need?
Half a packet of butter and some milk will be enough.
I see. Should we add some garlic or herbs for extra flavor? For example, dill.
Garlic. Dill.
Yes, let's mince the garlic and add it to the pot while the potatoes are boiling.
That sounds delicious. Do you want to use a masher or mixer to mash the potatoes?
Masher. Mixer.
Let's use a push-puller to get a rustic texture. Is the garlic ready?
Everything is chopped and ready to go. I'm going to add it to the pot now.
Pot.
Perfect. When the potatoes are soft, let them drain and then mash them with the butter, milk, and garlic.
I can't wait for Mom to try our homemade mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.